Hello, good day to everyone. So here we go again, the continuation of our modules with operations on functions. In our previous grade, we all know that operations involved addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, so for instance, let us have the sum of functions. It is given by, or if f and g are functions, then their sums is the function defined as f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. It is just like the expansion of this expression. Okay, so in number 2, the difference of functions. If f and g are functions, then their difference is the function defined as f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Okay, so same with number 1. While in number 3, the product of functions. If f and g are functions, their product is defined, or their product is the function defined as f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. And similarly, the quotient of functions. If f and g are functions, then their quotient is the function defined as f of g, or the quotient of f and g of x is equal to f of x over g of x. Okay, so to further understand, let us have example number 1. Okay, let f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. Wait a minute. Okay, yeah. Okay, given f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 3x minus 2, and g of x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 5. So find f plus g of x. So in here, we have to rewrite first f plus g of x is equal to, let us expand, this is also equivalent to f of x plus g of x, and now sub the value of f of x, that is 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. So this is 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 plus, this is the f of x, the value of g of x now is x squared minus 4x plus 5. That is the simple step 1. And next step is to simplify, combining similar terms. So 2x squared and 1x squared is equal to 3x squared, and also 3x, negative 3x and negative 4x is negative 7x, and then the constant term negative 2 and positive 3, yes, it is positive 3. Negative 2 and positive 5, I mean, is equal to positive 3. So this is now the f of g of x. Final answer. Okay, now let us have number 2. Where is it? Okay, example number 2. Given f of x equals 5x squared minus 8x plus 7. Wait a minute. Okay. And g of x equals 4x squared minus 9, h of x equal to 3x squared minus 6x plus 5. Find the following: f minus g of x. Okay, f minus g of x, let us simplify this first, which is also equivalent to f of x minus g of x. Then their values, f of x is 5x squared minus 8x plus 7, This is the f of x, and the value of g of x is 4x squared minus 9. 4x squared minus 9. In here, we have two terms, so we have to enclose this by parentheses because all of these terms should be subtracted from this term, from f of x value. So simplify. 5x squared minus 8x plus 7. Negative times positive is negative 4x squared, and negative times negative 9 is positive 9. If the operation is positive, like what we had for in the first example, no need to enclose with the parentheses. Dire-diretso na siya, okay? If it is subtraction, we have to subtract all these terms from these terms. Now, combining like terms, 5x squared and negative 4x squared is 1 or positive 1x squared. And the 8x, so minus 8x, and then 7 and 9 is positive 16. So this is now the value of f minus g of x. Okay, so next one, number 3. Okay, number 3. If we let f of x as x squared minus 1 over x plus 2 and g of x is equal to x squared minus 4 over x minus 1, let us solve f times g of x. So, solution. So, f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. So, this is the value of f of x. This is the value of g of x. Alright. Wait a minute. Now, let us have the value of f of x, and that is x squared minus 1 over x plus 2, while g of x is this x squared minus 4 all over x minus 1. Okay, so let us, this numerator is factorable, and also this one. This is the value of, still the value of f of x. What is x squared minus 1? This is the difference of 2 squared, if you still remember, during your grade 8 and grade 9 and 10 lesson. Okay, so this is equivalent to sum and difference, x plus 1 and x minus 1. When you get the product of this, you'll get this one. And then retain x plus 2. This is also difference of 2 squares, and this is equivalent to x 2, 2. Sum and difference, and then rewrite x minus 1. So in fact, we have to factor all the terms which are factorable in order to get the simplest term or cancel the common factors. Now let us cancel x plus 2, x plus 2, one from bottom and one from the top. Another one from the top and one from the bottom. So the remaining, or the simplest answer, will be x plus 1 times x minus 2. Or this can be your answer itself. Or if you would like to expand, the product of this is x squared, x times x using FOIL method or distributive method or long method if you want, minus 1 plus x, 1x. Okay, x times x, x squared. 1 times x, x, and then 1 times x, x times negative 2, negative 2x, and this is negative 2. So the answer is x squared minus x minus 2. Any of this could be our answer. Okay, now let us proceed to the quotient of functions. Where is number 4 example? Okay, so this one, the fourth example. Let f of x equals, look at this, and g of x. Now find a and b. Solution. F over g of x is also f of x divided by g of x. Now, sub the value of f of x. That is x squared minus 5x plus 6 all over 6. Or let me rewrite this one, f of x over g of x is equal to, what is f of x? X squared minus 5x plus 6 over 6. And g of x, That is x squared minus 2x minus 3 over 8. Fraction divided by another fraction. This was your topic in elementary. Okay, on fractions. How to deal with this? Now get the or multiply the denominator or multiply the reciprocal of the denominator to the numerator. So copy the numerator, x squared minus 5x plus 6 over 6, and multiplication. What is the reciprocal of this? Babalikan nyo lang siya. 8 all over x squared minus 2x minus 3. Now this is factorable. Half of 8 is 4, half of 6 is 3. So this will become 4 over 3. Now, is this factorable? Let us try to factor. X squared minus 5x plus 6. What about 6? This is 3 times 2. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6, and x times x is the first term. First term times first term, first term. Last term times last term, last term. Now our problem is the middle term. Now, 3x, if this is negative 3 and negative 2, we could have negative 5x. Negative 3 plus negative 2, negative 5x. Okay, now the factor of this one, let us have x times x, or first term times first term, equivalent to its first term. Then 3 times 1. Last term times last term will be the last term. Now the middle term. If the middle term has a negative sign, so the bigger number should also be the same as the sign of the middle term. If 3 is greater than 1, then this is the biggest number, negative. If this is negative, 1 is negative, 1 is positive. Okay, so x times x squared, negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2, and negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Are there some common factors? Yes, cancel x minus 3. And therefore, this is 4 times x minus 2 over 3 times x plus 1. X plus 1. This can be your answer. Or if you want to expand, 4x minus 8. 4x minus 8. 4 times x, 8. And 4 times negative 2, negative 8. Similar with the denominator, this is 3x plus 3. Any of this can be your answer. Okay, now let us have another example, number 5. Okay, I gave my own, I think this will be the example, no, in the video posted in our Facebook group. Now, f of x, let f of x equals to x plus 5 and g of x equals x squared minus 4. Find the following. So, solutions. Letter A, f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Sub the value. That is 2x plus 5 plus x squared minus 4. Value of f of x, value of g of x. Simplify. Let us have 2x plus x squared, 5 minus 4, positive 1. Or arrange this in descending order, x squared according to the degree. Positive 2x, positive 1. This can also be your answer. Okay, letter B. Let us have f minus g of x. So this will be, f of x. So f of x minus g of x. Value of f, 2x plus 5 minus g. G is x squared minus 4. Since this is more than one term, we can enclose this. So 2x plus 5, negative x squared, negative times negative, positive 4. Rearrange, negative x squared, then positive 2x, and 5, both are positive. This is equivalent to positive 9. So this will be your final answer. Now letter C. So letter C, f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. Sub the value. The value of f of x is 2x plus 5, and the value of g of x is x squared minus 4. Simplify. 2x times x squared, 2x cubed. 2x times negative, negative 4, negative 8x. 5 times x squared, positive 5x squared. 5 times negative 4, negative 20. Let us start with the x cubed. 2x cubed, then the next one is variable with the second degree or 2 degrees, degree of 2. That is positive 5x squared. Then let us take negative 8x and let us take negative 20. See, it is in descending order according to the exponent. 3, 2, 1, 0. So this will be the final answer. And letter D, let us have f over g of x is equal to f of x over g of x. Sub the value of f. Here is f. 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 over x squared minus 4. X squared minus 4. This is 2x plus 5 over x squared minus 4. This can be your answer. Now, if I may ask, what is the value of x or the possible value of x that will make the numerator or all of this become undefined? Okay, if we take x squared minus 4, hindi dapat maging 0 si denominator kasi may undefined, no? Laging iniiwasan yon. Okay, now if we let this as 0 equal to 0, let us factor x, and 2, 2. This is x plus 2, x minus 2. Now, we have, if x plus 2 equals 0, what is x? Lipat natin si 2 may negative 2 sa right. If x minus 2 equals 0, we have x equals 2. Lilipat si negative 2 maging positive 2. Okay? So, ito yung mga value ni x na hindi pwedeng maging value ni x para maging 0. If this is negative 2, if this is negative 2 square, this is 4. 4 minus 4, 0. If this is 2 square, positive 2, this is also 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. So, magiging 0 lahat ng denominator. So, hindi pwedeng maging value si negative 2 and positive 2. Okay. In the number line system, ito yung 0, ito yung mga negative numbers, yung mga positive numbers. Nandito si negative 2. Nandito naman si positive 2. So, hindi siya pwedeng maging positive 2, hindi siya pwedeng maging negative 2. Kung i-shade ko yung circle, pwede siya maging, that is greater than or equal to 2. Or less than or equal to 2. Kaya lang dito, less than 2, pwede siyang mga value ng x ay less than negative 2, pwedeng greater than 2. Pwede ring gitna, between negative 2 and 2. Ayan. Pero, wag except negative 2 and 2. So, therefore, lahat ng value from negative 2 pababa, ito yung mga negative infinity. Okay, hanggang saan? Less than negative 2. Ano pa? Between negative 2 and 2, less than negative 2 but greater than, less than positive 2 but greater than negative 2. Alin pa, mga valueng papunta doon. Lahat ng ito ay greater than 2 hanggang positive infinity siya. Ngayon, lahat na ito magiging possible value ng x. So, lalagyan natin union. O, diba? Ano ibig sabihin ng union? Grade 7. Topic nyo dyan ay sets. Set notation. So, ito yung mga possible value ni x dito. Okay. Now, let us have wait a minute. Number 6. So, this is the last example. Let f of x equals 4x plus 5, g of x equals 8 minus x squared. Find a. So, solution. This is a little bit different from our previous examples. Example number 6. Okay. Find f of 2 plus g of 3. What is f of 2? What is the value of f? Here, this is 4x plus 5. And g is 8 minus x squared. Let us sub the value of 2. This is now 4x plus 5. Ito naman, 8 minus x squared. Let us sub 3. Sasub natin yung 3 sa g value. Sasub natin si 2 sa f value. So, this is now 8 What is 8 plus 5? 8 plus 5. And 8 minus what is 3 square? 9. So 8 plus 5, isn't it 13? And negative 1, therefore positive 12. Okay? Now, let us answer letter B. F of negative 2 times G of 2. F of negative 2 times G, F of negative 2 times G of 2. Okay, that is letter B. Our F is 4x plus 5. 4x plus 5 times. Our G is 8 minus x squared. 8 minus x squared. Let us sub the value of G. Sub the value of F, negative 2. What is 4 times negative 2? Negative 8 plus 5. Okay, times times 8 minus 2 square is 4. And this is now negative 3 times 4. Final answer, negative 12. Okay, that's all. I'll send your activities regarding this video, okay, or this lesson. Okay, thank you so much.